Yo, what's up? It's Yuda, aka Sidebrain, and I got a free instrument for you. It's a vintage piano. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we got a rack. Let's listen to it. And all of this is made just with Ableton instruments. So let's go over it. You can download for free from my website. I'll put a link on the description, the video description. Let's check this out. You do need Ableton Suite 11, although some things here you can exchange. Let's open up the devices and let's turn everything off just to listen. This is just a regular upright piano that comes with Ableton. It's one of the packs. It's the upright piano by Spitfire. Here it is. Nice. So let's check this out. First of all, I put a velocity MIDI effect here to limit the maximum velocity. You can change it for the macro just to make it softer and also add some randomization to the velocity to give it a bit of more of a natural feel if you're doing only MIDI programming instead of playing. Then we added the shifter effect. This is the new frequency shifter. Here we took the phase down to 0, we set the LFO to random, and we added a tiny bit of kind of a pitch drifting. So it sounds a bit like an old vinyl. Here you have the amount in this macro. Next, we added an echo. And here, in this case, we're mostly using it for the noise. Under the character tab, you can add noise right here. You can change the type of noise. I think we use the second one. Kind of this hiss. And the amount, which is also mapped right here to the noise amount. You can change that. And it's ducking. So whenever you play the piano, it will kind of turn down the voice. And we also have this vinyl kind of effect. You can play around with this macro. You can even map it to your mod wheel if you want to have it more accessible on your keyboard. Okay, nice. Next, we just got some chorus here. And we added the macro to control that. Then we have a channel EQ to cut some highs and lows. Utility to make it monophonic, kind of more old school. Although also here you have the knob here if you want to expand the stereo, make it more wide. Then we have this preset telephone vocal EQ, but we have it on 50% amount, so it's not that extreme. And again, just to cut out some more highs and lows. Then we have this color limiter. This is from the pack Creative Extensions, and you can download this for free. You need Ableton Suite, and under the audio effects you will find the color limiter. If you have Ableton 11 Suite, it will also appear under the dynamics category under audio effects, and this is just to add more volume, more color, and to limit, of course, if everything gets too loud. You also have a macro here to make it more extreme. Nice, and lastly we have a gate just to eliminate this echo noise, the noise from the echo effect, whenever we're not playing. So when you play, when you stop playing, just remove the noise. Nice, so that's the vintage piano. All Ableton Live stuff. You can just download it from my website for free. Check it out, and I'll catch you next time.